What's up guys, Vacuum Verdict here. Today's video is just going to be a super quick acquisition of this Kenmore Whispertone upright vacuum. Picked this up at my Savers, local Savers today for $14.99. So, full price $14.99, no discounts or anything. And it's in very reasonable condition. I've always wanted a Panasonic Performance Plus or something like that, or a Riccar Vibrance, and this is very similar to one, so definitely happy I got this. I do have a yellow Kenmore Progressive that's kind of similar to this, however it has a lot of features such as speed control and other stuff, and it's nice and all, but it makes it very heavy and cumbersome to use, whereas something like this, where it's more basic, is a lot lighter, so I'm likely going to sell the yellow one and keep this one. So, has the cord, it looks like it's in good condition. I see the cord hook is not screwed on all the way, so I'll have to fix that. No attachments, unfortunately. But there's a sticker for those of you that care. See, it's model 11631189100. Show number D134400003. So, not exactly sure how old this thing is, but I'm sure someone will tell me. So yeah, no attachments. It does have the hose. Whenever I got it, the hose wasn't even attached for some reason, so I'm not sure why. Now this machine has one problem, and that's the switch. I'm guessing it's worn out, but it does not really like to stay in the on or off position, so it kind of just, like when you plug it in and you turn it on, it doesn't like to stay on because it just does whatever it wants to. No bag in it, so I'm not going to run it for too long, but it needs good cleaning. It does have a filter in there, so that's good. And I believe it has its exhaust filter. Yes. So that's nice. It is a headlight model, obviously. And if we look at the bottom, it does have a brush roll, which is in fair condition, doesn't look too bad. Just a wooden one. So, that looks good. I did test this, but I'm obviously going to plug it in and see how it runs on video. Well, it has a kind of a long wind down, but it works perfectly. It needs a belt because it was kind of stalling, but that's obviously an easy fix, so yeah. I believe I do have bags for this, so that's nice. So there you have it. That was the acquisition video of the Kenmore Whispertone. I'll get this one refurbished and we'll make another video on it, so thanks for watching.